All right, guys, I have a oh my gosh, unboxing from Globeland, and I'm gonna put everything in the description below. Of course, I have 4 things. I'm so excited. I was waiting to do a project with them for Decorate Your Life. So excited. Okay, so why do I swear I feel like I hear some type of sirens or something? Okay, this one I thought was gonna be smaller because I have that punch board that you can make like the coin envelopes with, you know what I mean, from We Are Memory Keepers. Oh wow, dang it, I'm gonna have to like tape it or something, I don't know. Okay, so these are fun. Okay, these say good stuff inside. Hold up, I gotta look at it because it's so where you can like rip it off, you know, rip it off, and then like pull tab what's inside. I gotta figure out how to use these, but I have this must, oh, I bet you tuck, dang it, I don't know. I'll figure it out. I was like, maybe you glue that part to one side, glue that part to one side, and then tuck that part in, and, or glue that part, and then I don't know. There's different sizes. I bet the envelope punch board, I bet from We Are Memory Keepers will fit this one. And they all say good stuff inside. So this, of course, comes off. I bet you this goes on one and then you make your own. I bet I could figure it out. I mean, I'm a crafter, of course I'm gonna figure it out. It's gonna be easy, you know? I'm so excited to craft. Yesterday was my birthday, so I didn't craft. Okay, I'm excited. Let's see what else. Let's see. I'm gonna save the one for last. Okay, this one is gonna be so cute because I thought, okay, if I do the envelope punch board, it was like 80 degrees here yesterday, and now it was so cold we couldn't go outside for recess. It was like 18 degrees. What the heck? How weird is that? Okay, and it snowed. And the same day as being like 80. Okay, I thought that I could slide some of these if I use it with these little envelope things, you know? So if I make an envelope, tear it off, rip it open, and then this will be inside. So this is a spool. They're all those, I'm trying to say, are they layered? Okay. I think what's going on here is, no. I thought maybe it layered up, but I guess, wonder, guys, I'm trying to figure this out. Okay, it's like, so when you want to wrap washi or ribbon, and then you can share it, right? So they're like little spool tags, and now this one cuts it out. So if you have a bow, or let me show you, I have one right here. I think Soleil gifted me this maybe. So this part right here, you cut it out, and then it can like sit in there like that, the little clip. I'm not, oh, this, guys, these are so fun. These are from not Decorate Your Life, Globeland. And they have the pictures. I just need to go back and look at all the pictures and see what's going on. So I bet that's a smaller sized one. That's a bigger one. And then this one is the lace with the scalloped edge. That's probably a smaller one. I don't know what that is for, unless that part goes on the back and then that goes on the front to kind of like keep the ribbon in place, or the twine, or thread, washi tape, whatever it is. Okay, then you can make like your own little hangy tag with that one. A little slit. So they look like little spools of thread. And then, yeah, so this is gonna be fun. I really thought, okay, you could slide that in one of those, you know, when you make the envelope. So that is cute. Okay, this one, I love this little swan. This one is a camera, and all the links and my coupon code will be in the description. Don't forget. this one is a camera, and I thought all the little pieces were so fun. Okay, so there is, let's see, this, like that, my address on it the whole time. No. Okay, this looks like it flips over, so it can be like a card. And then look at all the pieces for the flash, all of that. Then this stuff, I'm pretty sure goes right in here. So you layer all that up. That is so fun. Okay, so that's that one. Then it even comes with like film strips, Polaroids, shutters, love. I'm sure you can lay these up on that camera, right? I mean, something's going on. Oh, this camera. Okay, it came with two. What the heck? I didn't even know that. Okay. Look at all that. That is going to be so fun. So let's look at the two cameras together. How different they look. And of course, you don't have to have it like doubled. You can like cut it right here, you know? So fun. And look at all the pieces it comes with. I love that. And then let's look at this one again. So it comes with the Polaroid right here. I wonder if you can like, yes. So the Polaroid can come out of that. See? And then the film strip. Hello. Banner, the little hearts. Oh, this is cute. These are like little, you could put words in it. I'm drawing a blank on the name. So cute. That's gonna be really, really fun. Okay. Then for the last one, which I'm so excited for because I've been waiting for this one, is St. Patrick's Day. And I don't have any St. Patrick's Day stuff at all. So I got to do this project for the design team, and I was waiting. Look at this. Okay, so it's an envelope die, but it comes with the 4-leaf clovers, the horseshoe, the hat, and then it says Happy St. Patrick's Day, good luck, the rainbow, the like little tree, and then here's more. But okay, so there is the envelope here, and then I think it's a box die. I think, yeah. And then you have that part, or you can have that, and then you can decorate with that. Look inside the envelope. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm definitely gonna have something with all of these for sure. My first project will probably be with this. So, okay, thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Oh, go down in the description. Everything's there.